Welcome back to the channel. On tonight's video we're going to be carrying on our look at the nightlife here in Patong. You can see behind me Marlin Plaza. Now a lot of people think Marlin Plaza is for food only, and whilst it has a lot of food on the front section, there's also a section at the back where there's bars and there's a lots of souvenir shops, clothing shops, and that's what we're going to be looking at on this video. Not so much the food. If you want to check out the food section of Marlin Plaza, then jump over to my food channel, subscribe there, because I'm going to be covering the food section here in the coming weeks. So let's go and take a look. So of course we're going to make our way through the food section to get to the back part, but I'm not going to pay much attention to the food as I mentioned on this video. We're just going to walk through, but you can see there's a great choice here. Everything you can think of, and the prices here are quite reasonable for Patong. And this is a great place to check out in the evening time. Come and have some food, and then once you've had the food you're going to make your way to this section here, and already you can see there's a bar there that you can check out and chill, have a few drinks. There's going to be massage here in this area as well. Get yourself your feet massaged by some fish, and that is an unusual experience. Me and Nat have tried that, and it tickles. The fish do. Up. So really Marlin Plaza offers everything you could want. You've got bars here, as you can see. So once you've had something to eat, you can come in here, get a few beers while the missus is shopping, or maybe the missus come and have a few beers while the husband's shopping. Well, there's a selection here of different bars, and of course they've got some pool tables. That's a big thing over here in Thailand, in the bars. Now of course, when you're over here you're going to be looking to do a little bit of shopping, I'm sure, and Marlin Plaza does offer quite a number of vendors, both for souvenirs and t-shirts, as you can see, and there's some good prices in here. I've bought one or two things in the past myself, and if you haggle a little bit with the vendors, you do have to haggle. Just keep that in mind. These sort of places you can haggle. Just keep it friendly though, and reasonable, of course. Lots of choices on the t-shirts, that's for sure.
Have more design. You wanna look?
We come later back.
I wonder whether they've got any different hats. It's about time I changed my hat again, I think. Always looking for something unusual. So it's actually quite deceiving, Marlin Plaza, because at the front, to somebody who doesn't know, it looks like it's just a food place. And once you go through the food, as you saw, you come into this section where people don't actually realise that this section is here. Maybe you're looking for some soap as a gift for somebody. That's quite popular here. It actually goes back further than I thought. Keeps going back. So there's another section here. Swaddy cap. Teas here. All the different teas, flavoured teas. Apple flavour, I can see. What else have they got here? Quite a few. Rice tea. Never heard of that one before. Lemongrass tea. I'm a big tea drinker. Obviously from the UK. Love my tea. Actually quite a good choice in here, looking around. For souvenirs, clothing, bags. Really depends on what you're looking for. So the cap. You see anything you like, sweetheart? No? Seems to be growing, I don't know. It seems, yeah, it seems a little bit more than there was last time I came. Seems to be growing a little bit. It has been a while since I've been here to Marlin Plaza. I think the last time I came, not all the places were open. You want to go down here? Huh? So you can see yourself, a little bit of a maze here, and you could definitely pass, I don't know, a couple of hours I guess, here in this section, looking around the different vendors, clothing, etc., and souvenirs. Plus, you could have something to eat. So you could. Swaddy cap. Yeah, you got lots.
Have a look here. This is all 100% cashmere made in Thailand.
And how much is that?
250 baht.
250 baht.
I have cheaper one, 70 baht.
70 baht. There you go.
It's more same.
Okay. Gob and cap. Thank you.
Just looking how many pieces you need, then I give you discount for you.
Give good discount the more
Yes,
you buy.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay. You can see the vendors open to negotiation. So don't be scared. Just be friendly. That's all you need to be, and they won't take offence. Obviously, if you're going to offer ridiculously low prices, then they might not be happy then. But if you keep it friendly, get a starting figure off them, and then go from there. It's always good to shop around, of course, but sometimes you can get a very good deal. Massive choice in here. Plenty of choices on the souvenirs as well. So of course you don't have to visit Bangla Road. There are other areas in Patong to take a look at, and this is one of those areas. So if you're over here with a family, you've got younger children, Bangla Road may not be the most suitable for those children. You can come here, still have good food, have some drink, maybe buy yourself a suit.
Where are you from?
Originally from the UK.
UK.
Yeah,
How long you will be here, sir?
8 years.
You live in Thailand?
Yes.
Where?
Here, Phuket.
Phuket.
Yes.
Patong?
No, not Patong. I live over near to the airport.
Near the airport.
Yeah. How long does it take to make a suit?
2, 3, 4 days.
3 or 4 days.
Yeah.
So you do shirts as well?
That's why we're here.
Yeah. Okay. So you do the whole.
Have everything.
So 3 or 4 days. If you. Where's Nat disappeared? Nat's disappeared. So if you're looking for a suit, because I do get asked occasionally for
Yeah.
tailors.
Day fashion.
Yeah. Maybe you want to come and check him out, and 3 or 4 days he can
Yes,
knock you something
yes,
together.
we'll do.
All different prices.
Yeah,
Cheap
all
to expensive.
Yes, sir.
What's your cheapest suit?
Cheapest is 5,000
5,000,
to 20,000.
20,000. There you go. So we got some prices. Excellent. Common cap. Thank you. There's Nat. She look. Yes. So I know there's a few people, they come over I don't wear suits over here in Thailand because obviously the heat, but you may want to buy one for back in the UK. Tailor-made suit starting for 5,000 baht. I know that if you shop around, you might get a better deal. Obviously, come and talk to the man. He might be able to do a bit of a discount. A lot of choice in here, isn't there? God. It really is full with. It's definitely a place. If you're looking for souvenirs, then I would recommend you come in here. Check out Marlin Plaza because you can see yourself. There's absolutely loads. Not just clothes, but there's bags and scarves and fridge magnets, everything really. Oh, hang on. I've got to go back. Nat's seeing something. What you seeing now? Huh? She's seen something. She's sidetracking me now. What you after? Oh yeah, that on the wall. Yeah, that's quite nice. How much is it? Yeah. A negotiation going on here. I can feel it coming on. How much? 1,500. That's not too bad. Okay. I thought it'd actually be dearer than that. But is it material? Is it? Oh, it's wood. It's got. Oh, okay. Let me just have a. Nat's going to grab hold to the camera. Let me just. Oh, actually, yeah. It's not. I thought it was material, but it's wood. It's solid wood. It's like a carving in wood.
It's a wooden.
Yeah.
I have a more smaller also, sir.
You have a smaller one as well?
Yes, smaller one.
And how much is the smaller one?
Smaller one, just sir, I'm selling price 850.
850?
Yes, sir.
And when you say smaller, how? Oh, okay. Wood. Oh, you're there, are you? Yeah, okay. Those are quite nice, actually. I quite like those. Oh, okay. Well, there you go, you see. You've got to come in the stores and have a look.
If you buy like this one, sir, I give you good rubber mate. So I have a bags,
Yeah.
packet, the nice, good packing. So
Uh-huh.
you can carry easy, no
Right.
broke, no something.
Okay. And what's the best price you can do on that?
Sir, this one actually I'm selling price is 2,000 baht, sir.
Yeah.
That's normally like price, but
Yeah.
this now is very quite season also.
Yeah,
Have
it's low
customer
season.
but not buying.
So what's your best price?
So my boss already is my boss. She said
Yeah.
already is like 1,500.
1,500.
Yes.
Okay.
The best
All right.
price, yes.
Okay.
It's a wooden
Thank you.
one.
I'm going to have a look around and then
Yes. Hey.
maybe we come back. Okay. Come on, go. There you go. I think maybe if I really wanted it, I could probably get it down a little bit more. Probably get it down to 1,300 baht. If I got the cash out, when they see the cash, that's a way to bargain. Get your wallet out, show them a little bit of cash. Don't have too much in there, obviously, because if they see you rich, they're not going to come down in the price. But if you get your cash out so they know you're serious about buying, and then you've got to harrow the price down a little bit more. I think we could get it down to about 13, maybe 1,200. You reckon that? Yeah? And that's giving me the nod. Because normally there's a little bit more movement in the price. But I quite like that, and that was actually solid wood. I was quite surprised because when I first looked, it looked like material just hanging down, but it's not. It was actually carving. A lot of wood carvings here. Some really nice stuff. So this is the place to come and hunt out your souvenirs for sure. It's definitely a good spot to check out. I'm sure there's other spots in Patong, not just here, but definitely come and have a look at this. You can see yourself. Great choice of stuff here. Come down, have some food. We will look at that in the coming weeks. Then once you've got your full belly, move back maybe to the bars, or maybe do your shopping first, because it's not always good to drink first. Yeah, some lovely statues. I love these. I'm after one of these for my koi pond. Not this particular style, but very similar to this. But I can't quite get the right size. I want two, one in each corner. But anyway, maybe go and do your shopping first, and then once you've done your shopping, you can go and chill out in a couple of the bars. Maybe have a game of pool. Nat's doing some more shopping now. She's looking. I think they're okay with me going in. Some shops are a little bit funny. They don't want you to film. Some shops are okay. Oh, they've got some more here. These are really nice. How much are these, Nat? How much are these ones? The ones that we just been looking at, this same style there, that one. How much is that?
อยู่ที่เท่าไหร่คะตัวนี้
Here we go. Oh, no, she's going away. Going to ask somebody. She's not the boss. No, the boss is sitting down. So, but I quite like these. That one's nice as well. We're looking for the home. Bits and pieces for the home. Elephant Buddha. That's mad on it, Elephant Buddha. We've got one that overlooks the pond now. Big Elephant Buddha. 1200. There you go, look. So that's almost the same as what we've just been looking at, was 1500. She's willing to do that one for 1200. Again, you know, if you really want it,
หนูอยากขายอย่างนี้
probably
เป็น
get it down a
แต่ชิ้นกลาง
little
เป็
bit
นองค์
more.
พระพิฆเนศหนูเคยไปเห็น
I like
แล้ว
that.
หนู
It's nice, the white one is. I do like
หนู
that.
ก็ยังหาไม่ซื้อ
Some really nice stuff here. You can see yourself. Beautiful
หนูก็ไป
stuff.
เห็น I still like easy to forgot of certain hair right you remember and then I have
Yeah, I know.
that
The
I still like and then I want to know
Yeah, well, you won't find the same. It's all right. We saw something advertised. A hotel was selling a beautiful picture, so we went over to buy it, and we bought it, paid the money and everything, and then we were going to pick it. We should have took it there and then, but we decided we were going to go back and fetch it because we were on the bike and it was quite big. It was in 3 pieces. It was like that, basically, very similar, but it was a lot more beautiful. And we went home and the lady had taken Nat's number. She called Nat and turned around and said, it's no longer for sale. And we said, well, what do you mean it's no longer for sale? We've already bought it. Anyway, cut a long story short, they were selling stuff they hadn't got the rights to sell. Luckily, they gave us our money back because we'd already paid for it. So that was advertised on Facebook. You know, Nat was gutted because it was really nice and we wanted it for the dining room. And it was a really nice picture, and she was really upset and angry with the lady because she wasn't happy. I think she'd sold the wrong thing, hadn't she, Nat? The lady.
yeah she want to sell and then when you buy she just say she did the wrong one
Yeah,
but the daughter hold it all
yeah. So yeah, so we've been looking ever since to try and find something that's similar, but we haven't managed to find anything that's quite the same as that. But that one that you've just seen was very nice, and that is it. Check out my food channel if you haven't already, and in the coming weeks I will be covering Marlin Plaza food-wise. You've seen the stuff here, great place to come down, check out some souvenirs, maybe you want some beach stuff, bikinis, whatever, souvenirs, t-shirts. I've said souvenirs twice, I know I have. Don't forget, check out all the links in the description and down below. And that's it for tonight. I'm going to catch you very, very soon on the next video.